Hello there, my name is Michels and I'm going to talk about my Curve Tool plugin for Wings 3D. After we install it using this option, it will be available under Tools, Curves. Okay, we are getting two windows, the geometry one and the curves graph. It's similar to the default windows used by Wings. So we have four kinds of curves to be created. All of them will be created in the plane view. So if we want to draw them on the standard planes, we should use the orthogonal view and align with the X. So in this case we are going to draw using the YZ plane, or looking from the YX, the ZX plane, and so on. The view plane is placed on the origin, so any curve we draw in the default camera position will be drawn over the origin. If we want to draw in another place, we need to change the place where the camera is looking to, so we can do that by using the aim highlight. So if we want to draw a curve like near this cube, it's a little bit far from the origin, we can select an element like a face, a vertex, anything, and use these options. Highlight aim, we can use the shortcut A. So when we do that, like A, and now when we draw the curve, we are going to be drawing near that location. Okay, well, we have four kinds of curve. We already saw the linear. The process is mostly the same. We click, 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 right click to end. Okay, for smooth is the same. But for B-spline we are going to need 4 vertex control to create a curve. And for Bezier, we have to create the handles to define the curvature. So we are going to click, drag to create the handle, click for the next point, drag again to create the handle, and so on. To continue to edit a curve, to add more segments, we just select the latest vertex. This green one stands for the first vertex on the curve, the start of the curve. So we select the last and use the append new segments, and we can continue to draw. For Bezier curve, we also have some options related to the handle. We cannot the handles always scale both sides with the same length in order to preserve the curvature, the continuity of this curve. So if you want to break this, we have option to use this option, which will give us the Bezier, which is the full one, the Bezier corner, which means we will going to break the continuous, and corner, which will result in a sharp edge on that vertex, like this. And we don't have any control over it. We can come back to the full one, Bezier, and the Bezier corner means we are going to break the symmetry. So now we can just move them individually. Okay? If we decide to not use this way, we can just go back, and we will going to use the average of the length and the points to create a new standard Bezier vertex control. This is the basic of the curve creation and edition. Also, after created, we have the option to move freely the vertex control if we have the tweak option enabled. So we are be able to use the move command. In this case, I'm using the left mouse button for that. So when I click and drag a vertex or an edge, I don't need to use the menus for that. Okay, thanks for watching.